everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved the look then just keep on watching. And if you guys want to be entered in this month's giveaway where we ship away a big huge box of makeup to one of our lucky subscribers, then go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel, make sure that you have your post notifications turned on, so hit that bell button. And if you are located in the United States then go ahead and comment done down below. Jumping straight into the tutorial, the first thing that I did was I grabbed my Too Faced Born This Way concealer and I just used this as an eyeshadow primer, so I just applied it all over my eyelid and then I went ahead and set it in place with some translucent powder. The palette that I went in with is the Morphe James Charles Eyeshadow Palette. And this is what it looks like on the inside. And I kind of want to start doing more tutorials with palettes that are a little bit older, just because I don't want you guys to feel like you have to go out and buy new makeup for every single launch. So that's why you'll see me doing tutorials on palettes that have already existed for a while. So the first shade that I went in with is this really pale pink shade in the palette, and I just threw that in my crease as my transition shade, just going in back and forth motions. And then next I went in with this brighter pink shade with a defined angled brush. And I put this shade a little bit above my actual crease and I'm starting to map out where I want to add definition. And I really like using a defined angled brush because it just really helps with really specific placement of the eyeshadow. So it's great for beginners if you usually go a little bit overboard with the eyeshadow. I highly recommend going in with a defined angled brush and then going in with a fluffier brush and going back into the transition shade, which is what you see me doing here. And I just went over that, going in back and forth motions and circular motions just to really blend that line out. And then I went back into that Too Faced concealer and carved out my lid. And I went ahead and set everything in place with this pale white shade in the palette. And I just took a flat brush and just packed that all over my eyelid. And if you want a softer look, you don't have to go in with the concealer and create such a harsh line. I just personally love the cleanness of just creating that line and having that definition between the crease and the lid. But it's definitely optional. If you want a softer look, you can just skip that step. And then I went into that deeper purple shadow and just packed that all over the outer V area just to add depth. And then I went into the foiled shimmery purple shade in the palette and I grabbed a flat brush and I just packed that between the white shade and the purple shade that we just applied to the outer lid. Just kind of merging the two together, but just creating a nice little spotlight. And then I went in with my ColourPop Glitterly Obsessed Body Glitter in the shade Avenue of the Stars. This is recommended for the body, but I personally have no problem applying it to my eye, so that's just a disclaimer on that. If you have sensitive eyes, I wouldn't really recommend using this glitter on your eye, but I personally have no problems with it and I actually love how it looks. And then I went in with my Sophie Bella lashes and I went in with the style Bahama. I will always leave a link in the description box down below, but this is one of my favorite styles because it's super full but not too long to where it's going to be super overwhelming. The eye look that you create will still show through the lashes, so I highly recommend those lashes. I went in with the pink shade once again and I just started to put that on my lower lashes to add warmth. And because the eye look is a little bit more dramatic, I definitely don't want to leave the lower lash line bare. I just want everything to tie together nicely. And then I went into that deeper purple matte shade once again. And I just focused that really close to the lash line. And then I went back into that pink shade just to blend everything out to make sure that there are no harsh lines. And then lastly, I just applied some lower lash mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. I can't believe that we're already at 140,000 subscribers. It honestly means so much to us, and We are so appreciative to have all of you guys on our side. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.